I recently invested in new washing machine hoses, and let me tell you, I did the legwork so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. After testing 5 different products, I've got the lowdown on which hoses are worth your time and money. Let's dive in.
Product number 1, Aliexpress 4-foot washing machine hoses. When I first got my hands on the Aliexpress 4-foot washing machine hoses, I was impressed by the packaging. You get 2 hoses, one red for hot water and one blue for cold, both made of stainless steel. The vibrant colors and sturdy feel immediately gave me confidence. I found the installation process straightforward, even for a DIY novice like myself. Just disconnect the old hoses and screw these in. It took me less than 15 minutes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, these hoses are built to last. The stainless steel exterior combines with a 2-ply PVC core that boasts excellent corrosion resistance. I appreciated the thick rubber gasket that creates a solid seal, effectively preventing any potential leaks. Plus, the 10-year guarantee offered by Aliexpress is a huge plus. However, I did notice a slight downside. The hoses felt a bit bulky compared to some of the other models I tested, which could be an issue if you're working in a tight space. The 4-foot length is standard, but I wish they offered a longer option for larger laundry setups. Still, the price is hard to beat at just $11.90, making them a fantastic budget choice. Next up, let's talk about the K&J Premium 6-feet washing machine hoses. Right out of the box, I noticed the quality craftsmanship. These hoses are designed with a braided stainless steel exterior that feels robust and heavy-duty. At 6 feet, they offer more flexibility in terms of installation, which I found handy when I was connecting them to my washing machine. The standout feature for me was the burst-proof design. I've had my fair share of hose disasters in the past, and the thought of a water flood in my laundry room makes my stomach churn. But with these hoses, I felt a wave of relief, knowing they can withstand high pressures without bursting. They're rated to last longer than your average hose, which is a significant plus. On the downside, the price point of $21.95 is a bit higher than some other options. While the quality is apparent, I wondered if the investment was worth it for those on a tight budget. Additionally, the installation instructions were a bit sparse, so I had to figure things out by trial and error, which might not be ideal for everyone. Product number 3, JMLWLZX Universal Premium 4-foot washer hoses. Now, let's dive into the JMLWLZX Universal Premium 4-foot washer hoses. When I received these, I was immediately impressed by their design. The braided stainless steel coupled with a high grade of rubber core gives them a sleek look while ensuring they can handle up to 232 psi. That's a level of confidence I rarely see in washing machine hoses. Installation was a breeze. The hoses come with color-coded connectors to easily differentiate between hot and cold, which is a small detail that can save a lot of confusion. I appreciated the included gasket inserts for a secure fit, preventing any leaks. As someone who values long-term reliability, I was pleased to see that these hoses are designed to withstand kinks and cracks. However, I did encounter a minor issue. The 4-foot length can be limiting in some laundry setups, especially if you're dealing with a tight washer placement. While the price is attractive at $9.97, if you have a larger space, you might find yourself needing longer hoses. Product number 4, FETEC Mate 6FT Premium Stainless Steel Washer Hoses. Moving on to the FETEC Mate 6FT Premium Stainless Steel Washer Hoses, I found these to be quite impressive. The first thing that caught my eye was the 90-degree elbow feature, which is a game changer for tight spaces. It allows for a more streamlined installation in cramped laundry rooms, which is exactly what I needed. These hoses boast a burst-proof design thanks to their robust stainless steel covering and the impressive maximum pressure rating of 1500 psi. That means you can wash your clothes without worrying about a sudden flood. I also appreciated the color-coded system for hot and cold water, making it user-friendly for anyone new to DIY installations. However, the price tag at $16.79 is on the higher side, especially considering you can find cheaper options. While I do think the quality justifies the cost, it might not be the best choice for those with tight budgets. Additionally, some users reported that the hoses can be a bit stiff, making installation slightly more challenging than anticipated. Product number 5. Washing machine hoses with double 90-degree elbows. Lastly, I tested the washing machine hoses featuring double 90-degree elbows. Right off the bat, the unique design stood out to me. These hoses are specifically made for tight spaces, which is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with cramped laundry areas. I found that the octagon connections made it incredibly easy to tighten them securely without any fuss. The burst-proof feature is another key selling point. Knowing that I won't have to deal with unexpected leaks provides me with immense peace of mind. These hoses are made to last, and the universal fit means they work with virtually all washing machines, a big plus for versatility. However, at $26.47, they are pricier than some other options. While the quality is undeniably high, I would caution budget-conscious buyers to consider if they really need the advanced features these hoses offer. So why buy these hoses? If you're often squeezed for space and need a reliable solution that won't let you down, these hoses are worth considering. Their unique design and durability make them a standout option for anyone serious about enhancing their laundry setup.